God called me to come and study at Uganda Baptist Seminary. UBS made me to get to know clearly how to go through God's Word. I do believe that before I get started to study the Word of God, I was handling the Word of God the way I would just feel.
We are Bible-based. We were intentional with expository teaching and letting the Bible answer the questions that people have. And more often than not, when a question comes, the first thing you'll hear is, what does the Bible say?
We have 3 levels of classes. The first one is certificate class. Certificate class has an entry at Form 4. The certificate class goes for 8 terms. Each term has 4 weeks of residence, and then they come 3 times in a year, and it will take them 8 terms to finish. That's close to about 2.5 years to complete their course. Then the next level is diploma level. Diploma level also take the same time, 8 terms to finish their course, and they have to come for 4 weeks of residence for a term, and so that will take them 2.5 years to complete their course. Their entry level is after Form 4, they have to do other 2 classes that takes them to Form 6, and they should have passed the Form 6, and in Uganda we say they have 1 principal pass and at least a subsidiary that will qualify them to have an entry into diploma class. The next level is a BTH, that's a Bachelor of Theology. A Bachelor of Theology, somebody must have done Form 6 and at least scored or achieved 2 principles at minimum. And then bachelor's takes 11 terms. 11 terms extends to about 3.5 years for them to complete. And so following like term, each term is 4 weeks of residence, and they come 3 times in a year.
There are not many places in Uganda that can do what Uganda Baptist Seminary is doing. This is a place for life change, and not just personal life change, but it's the change that goes with you to change other people. That is what I have realized. It's a school that is not here to make money from people, but to impact that godly knowledge, where I have seen actually in classes a school that is committed to communicating God's truth, and it is that truth that changes, and that truth is hard to find in other places.
It's the place that when you come, you know that you're going to get the Word of God, that you are able to read for yourself and not giving you someone's opinion and enforcing you to believe something that cannot be verified. It can be verified because you hold the Bible in your hand and we point it to you and say, we believe this and teach this because you can read it here. And that's the great thing that I normally tell people. Just come and you know that you're going to get the Word of God. It's life transforming. It's neat to see those who for the first time coming and then the last day here leaving, and they're completely new people.